काफ़ी सबक आमोज मुकालमा पेश किया। अब इसके बाद मैं एक मरतबा फिर अंग्रेज़ी तकरीर के लिए दावत देता हूँ जसीम परोवेज को, मौसूफ तशरीफ़ लाएँ और अपनी तकरीर पेश करें।
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Respected teachers, honorable guests, families and loved ones, good evening. Before I begin, I want all of you to imagine something. Imagine a person who decides to do something the world calls impossible. This is a person whom everyone laughs at, mocks and doubts. Yet he keeps going step after step until one day the very same people who made fun of him stood in silence, amazed at what that person achieved. My words may sound unbelievable, but such people exist. And today I am here to speak about the extraordinary power that turns the impossible into the possible. Imam Bukhari is one of the greatest scholars the world has ever known. Yet he was blind in the early years of his life. He regained his sight by the grace of Allah due to the supplication of his mother. In spite of early hardships, he compiled the most authentic collection of hadith ever recorded and devoted his entire life to preserving truth with unmatched dedication. And likewise, most of us know about Helen Keller, who was blind, deaf and mute since the time she was a child. But she followed her dream with sheer determination and became an author by the time she was 20, even earning an honors degree when she was 24. I read of these people and I marvel. I think of these people and I wonder, why do dictionaries even carry the word impossible? Because someone always seems to prove that the impossible is indeed possible. All that is needed is a willing hand with the help of Almighty. Just think about the unarmed freedom fighters who challenged the world's greatest power of their time and won without firing a single shot. Impossible, you say, but that is exactly what happened. So my friends, success in any field depends on our will to conquer that field, which means three things. First, we must have a clear idea of what righteous matter we want to achieve. And second, we must believe we can achieve it with the help of Allah. And third, we must start doing it now. For the willing hand, there is no tomorrow, only today, no later, only now. It is now that the willing hand begins with the single step. Only by willing ourselves to begin, we can fight the unbeatable foe and run where brave dare do not go. Only a willing mind will reach the unreachable star. Only the will, nothing but the will can make the impossible a possible. My friends, we must understand that the time for change is we must understand that the time for change is not. I would like to end my speech with this Arabic line. الإنسان يسير بهمته كالطير يطير بجناحيه, which means a human being soars with his determination just as a bird soars with its wings. Thanks. Assalamu alaikum.
माशाअल्लाह, बहुत खूब मौसूफ का अंदाज़े बयां, उनका लहजा काबिल दीद था। अल्लाह तबारक व तआला से दुआ है कि अल्लाह रब्बुल इज़्ज़त उनके इल्म और अमल में बरकत अता फरमाए। हाज़िरीन गिरामी, एक मरतबा फिर मैं अरबी मुकालमे का रुख करता हूँ और दावत देता हूँ अब्दुल्ला और हिफ्ज़ान, ये दोनों अरबी सोल के तालिब इल्म हैं, तशरीफ़ लाएँ और अपना मुकालमा पेश फरमाएँ।